Hey loves, so I'm going to do another smoothie recipe with you guys. As always, I start off with my bottled water. So I'm going to add 200 ml to this, and I'm going to add some pineapple chunks. As I've done the equivalent of about 3 pineapple rings. If you want to use the tinned ones, up to you. If you're going to do the fresh ones, obviously you can chop up your pineapple into chunks, or you can get them already done from the supermarkets. Totally up to you. I'm going to add 14 of the large pitted cherries. That just means that the central seed has been taken out of the cherries, okay? And these are the sweet ones, because they have sweet ones and they have sour ones, so just be careful. And I picked up from the supermarket a breakfast fruit topper, so it's just small pieces of fruit that they've cut up already from the freezer section, and it's got strawberry, peach, pineapple and mango in there. So I've just done 2 handfuls of this one, so I'm just going to add it in. Guys, feel free to put in what you want into your smoothies. I'm just giving you a few ideas of different things that you can try out. Add the rest in. Don't mind me, you don't have to do it exactly how I have done it. Oh, wrong one. Using this one. So just going to make sure it's secure properly and put it on the base. Guys, make sure that you blend them out properly, okay? Just going to wash my hands and come back to you. Make sure you blend them out properly, because the last thing you want is a big old lump of fruit whilst you're trying to drink your nice smoothie, okay? So guys, just shake it down a bit because the water went right to the top, which is a nuisance. So guys, if you have an instant where your fruit doesn't want to keep blending, you just need to just take it off, just give it a little shake, or if you're using a proper blender, then you just need to get a spoon and just move it around a bit so the water goes down a bit to the bottom, and then you just keep going. Alright guys, so I'm going to finish blending this and then I'll get back to you guys. Alright love, so that one is done now. Guys, if you like a nice kind of fruity flavours but don't like the bits in there, for example like using the raspberries, you can get the seeds in there and blackberries and stuff like that. Guys, this one is perfect. The strawberry seeds I've literally just blended right out and there's no seeds to contend with. Okay guys, so hopefully you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe and keep safe. See you guys.